Planning to use Zoom to broadcast to your LinkedIn Live event? Here are tips for success using a custom stream. You can access the stream URL and key 1 hour before your event. We recommend you generate them and start your live stream 10 minutes before your scheduled start time. Let's get into the setup. Starting from your existing LinkedIn Live event, click Setup. When redirected to LinkedIn's Live Studio, select the region closest to you from the drop-down, then click Get URL. You'll be provided with the stream URL and key, which you'll need to enter into Zoom. To enter your stream URL and key in Zoom, go to your Zoom calendar and start your scheduled Zoom meeting. From there, click the More menu at the bottom of the window, then click Livestream and choose Live on Custom Live Streaming Service. This will open up a browser tab window where you need to enter your streaming details. Copy the previously auto-generated stream URL and stream key from the LinkedIn Go Live tool and paste each into their respective streaming fields in Zoom. For optimal streaming, we recommend choosing standard 720p resolution. Then click Go Live to send your Zoom stream to your LinkedIn Live event. Once the connection is successful, toggle back to the LinkedIn Live Studio window to preview your Zoom stream. When you're ready to start your live event, click the blue Go Live button to stream into your LinkedIn Live event. Good luck on your event and happy streaming!